Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to test to see if you have stick drift on your Xbox Series X. And this is a really cool setting that they added here at some point. But on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Scroll on down to Devices and Connections and go to the right and go to Controllers and Headsets. Then under here, choose our controller. I'm going to go to the three little dots for more options. Scroll on down and we want to go to Recalibration options. Choose this and choose the thumbstick. I'm going to go to the right one. And then right here, you can see if you have stick drift. It's very easy. So it says center at rest. It should look like this. There should be a little white circle in the middle if it's good. If it's clear and you can see through it, that means you have it off center. So you can just redo this at some point in time. Then you want to test the range of motions. Make sure it's lighting up all over. You can see over here on the right side, my controller is not able to reach the edges of my circle. So I do have an issue there. What I could do is go through the recalibration test. And this will take you through a series of little things that you need to follow. So try your best to copy the animations on the following screen. So you just have to follow this around in a circle. And it's going to bring you to a different screen as well. So you can see if you have stick drift, and you can just do this little test, and it could possibly help reduce the stick drift or get rid of it. A lot of times if you blow into the side of your thumbstick, it will remove any kind of debris or dust in there. So you can try that, or spraying compressed air in here. I like to just blow in there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.